guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video and it's the first one I've done, but I haven't really made a big purchase like this before. But I wanted to show you a designer bag I bought from YSL, or Saint Laurent as they're called now. And I bought it off Farfetch when they were having a sale. So a couple months ago. I'm super excited to show you what I got. So I already threw away the box because like this box was so hard to get into. I'll show a video of myself unboxing it because I think I used my phone to do it just in case. I was like a little bit worried that having, I don't know, like making a big purchase and having them send it in the mail was kind of like iffy to me. And it was around the holidays, so I'm just like, what if someone stole my bag? I don't know. So anyways, I unboxed it already and I'll show you what was inside. Ta-da! So, actually the box came in a bag. It's not marked. I don't know why, maybe just to kind of protect it or whatever. So it has a drawstring. That'll be nice, I guess, to protect the box. Or maybe I want to use it for like, I don't know, another bag, but yeah. Here she is, from Saint Laurent, and it's marked here on the side what it is. I got the YSL Sunset, I think it's the wallet on chain, in croc print. I think that's what they're trying to say. Okay, so let me just get the top off. I was eyeing Saint Laurent for a long time. The bag I wanted like wasn't on Farfetch or anything. Not that you need to have it on there. So inside the box we have another drawstring bag, and this one is like made of cloth where the other one was just kind of like polyester. And there's my receipt. Oh my gosh. There she is. Okay. It still has like the styrofoam wrap along the chain. So let me get that off first. This better be recording. Yeah. So basically I was looking at a couple bags. One was the puffer bag. One was the college bag because like I love a satchel. I love a top handle. And this has all those things. It has a cross handle. Oh gosh, there's more. There's a cross handle. There's like, I should be careful. There's a long chain in this thing. So I'm happy that I can wear it crossbody because even though I know shoulder bags are like making a huge comeback, I don't like them falling off my shoulder. So my camera died, but back to the bag. It has silver hardware and again this navy croc pattern, and it's almost patent. It's quite shiny, as you can see the reflection of the ring light here. But it kind of makes me think that it won't get too banged up, I guess. And I definitely want to use this as a night out bag. That's why it's kind of on the smaller scale, although I think the size up would have been better because you can't fit a lot. There's the Farfetch tag, if you can see that. So I haven't taken it off yet. Again, there is a back pocket and it's very snug, and there's some styrofoam there too. The chain is quite long and this bag does hit me kind of at the hip and maybe not the best area, I think. The top strap is quite thin as well. It doesn't have any branding at the top actually, just the same croc print. Front is a snap closure, magnetic. There's like an extra little thing there and it's smooth on the inside. You might be able to see, just says Saint Laurent Paris, made in Italy. There is a front pocket here. This actually has more room to it than the back pocket. I'll get rid of that. There's a zipper here in the middle. And you can see it kind of fits some stuff there. And then there is the compartment. And the compartment, it's small, but it's like kind of a couple inches thick. And inside there are card holders. So there's one main flap at the top. Can you even see this? Okay, it has one main thing at the top and then some card holders. So this is like pretty stiff bag. I'm gonna take a card holder out here. And that's that. So now we're going to see how much we can fit into this bag for a night out. Again, I would advise like either wearing this for going to a dinner or drinks or something like that because you can't carry that much in it. You don't need to carry a wallet though because it has a place you can lie your cash in it, and then you can also put your cards in it. So let's start. Can we fit a toothbrush in here? I think I can barely fit a toothbrush. So that needs to go on like the last thing. We're gonna add mouthwash because that's what I need for a night out anyways. Lipstick, basic MAC lipstick will go in next to it. We're gonna add a charger for your phone because when you're out, you never wanna run out of batteries. Then we're gonna add a compact mirror. AirPods for when you get bored, I guess, and you need to listen to music on the train or something. I'm gonna try to add this hand sanitizer. I'll have to move over some things though. Actually, I think this is the worst thing to have. I'm gonna add a to-go perfume. That's also quite small, so no problem there. Tampon, just in case you want to help a girl out in the ladies' room. Nail file, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing now. Yeah, it fits, sure. Then I'm gonna have some toothpaste because I like to be fresh. Okay, now I'm gonna try the toothbrush again. Oh no, toothbrush. Okay, the toothbrush does not fit. So I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna take the toothpaste out. And I'm gonna add a mask that I could easily roll. All right, let's see if it fits. Ah, beautiful. So that's, oh, I didn't add money. Okay. I was gonna add this little thing, but because I don't need it, I'm just gonna take a bill out. We're gonna add some green to the back pocket here, and it just slips back there. We're gonna close it, and let's see if we can fit anything into the back pocket. I like to use the back pocket for a phone. That's just me. I know people keep saying like it's for receipts, but like when I grab a receipt, I don't have time to like stick it in the back of a really stiff purse. So let's add a very thin phone and we're gonna push it in. Gosh, this poor bag. See, this is why I shouldn't buy nice things. See if it goes in. It goes in. Even you can have it sticking out a little bit if you're like one of those people who like quickly go, you know, we're like so attached to our phones. And there she is. So now I want to put some pants on so I can show you what this looks like.